Soon can pick pumpkin.
For real.
Soon can dig potato. See a potato here? I tell you about a potato. I want different variety of potato.
Yeah, you can see it, you know.
Potato. I know so they're ready.
Oh, so you tell see. Yeah.
Me not have a strippy.
Yeah, yeah.
You know so they're ready.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
For real, my viewers and subscribers. Here at Mikey's farm again. This is a update. As you can see, everything grew tall. Yeah? Everything is up high, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? So yes, my viewers. Here again on the farm with Mikey, you know? Yeah. What? As you can see, my viewers, we never have this type of sweet pepper here the last time. Yeah. My God. Yes, my people. Yeah. The farm grew up tall. Yeah. It's about a 2 week or 3 week back. We were here. Yeah, we have a tonic plant here. Yeah, man. Tonic plant. We have, my God, tomato. The last time we never have tomato.
No, sir.
My God. Tomato the last time. This is an update, you know. Yeah, man. This is an update on the farm. You know, Mikey's farm, alright? Yeah, my viewers, as you can see. Yeah. Yeah, the farm grew up. See there? Alright, Sir Mikey, what are going?
I'm there up on the farm, you know.
Oh, you mean, man?
Take it easy, you know, and watch.
Yes,
The
I.
niceness and the prettiness I view, you know, see.
Oh, God, man, all the corn them grow tall.
Man, me I tell you, man.
Jesus
Father,
Christ.
God, give him what we can't bear, you know, brother.
That's true, man.
A peer rain since the last week or back ago, and now I tell you, say, boy, a whole heap of good they do to it.
Yeah, man, whole for water.
Can't eat.
Jesus Christ.
Can't
Yeah.
see the pumpkin all down, so soon can fix it here.
Wow.
Pumpkin will get big on the farm, say, here.
Look at that, my people. Pumpkin, potato, sweet potato vine them big.
Mad.
Yeah.
Yeah, the pumpkin get big.
What? The last time this pumpkin was small.
Yeah.
Yes, for real.
I tell you.
My God. The pumpkin here again, my people, on the farm. This is just a 2 week update.
Just was the melon, but it look like it don't work.
Okay.
Like it don't work at all.
Oh, a melon, what am to it?
No, it just dry, don't see it.
Oh, it's like it get hot.
Yeah, you can't, like, you can't manage in a pumpkin.
I can see it, but it get big, man.
But it dry, don't see it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Look how the melon get big, the watermelon get big, man.
Good again.
Yeah, man. My God.
Then I get to feet.
Yeah, man, for real.
For
For real. Look on them pepper here. Last time them pepper here never ripe up. Them ripe up and thing. Yeah, man. Alright, we got touch a piece of potato now. Last time we look on the bank, the high bank potato. I'm love to see the corn them, trust me. My viewers, corn them nice. Trust me, say the corn them nice, man. Yes, my viewers. Potato. More pumpkin, my viewers. Yeah. Yeah. Sweet potato, my viewers. Yeah. For real, man. For real. So the water do a whole heap of good.
Whole heap of good, man.
Yes, I. For real.
Soon can start reap potato, you know.
Yes, I.
By next month you can start reap up this.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real.
Man.
For real, man. Remember tell you the farm look nice. Them corn there. Them corn that must look nice.
So I want the people them to look up on. Boy, look how hard we have to work.
You got some, man.
And when you work so hard, the animal come in and destroy your thing.
That is the next thing again what they go on right now in Jamaica. Animal.
Catch a man animal in there. and you hurt it, a man will tell us and we shoot you.
No, sir. Can't, man.
And you can't catch a man animal and sell it.
A true, man, a true.
You know,
True. The animal them can't come on the plantation like
a
that.
big up down here right now give me a problem. You know,
Yeah.
no fool.
I see him over that side too, you know.
Yeah, man, right now, you mash up over there.
My God.
Yeah, man, mash up your other piece of farm over there.
Oh, you have to look for him, man. You have to look out for him. Yeah.
I plan for him tonight when he come.
He goes so, man.
Yeah, man, but everything alright otherwise, man. I tell you, man.
For real, for real.
Only for things that take time to come in and out.
For real, man.
Yeah, man.
Really, plantation look nice.
Tell you, man.
I have one more pumpkin here again, my viewers. My God.
Pumpkin there, boat, man.
Yeah, man.
Boat in a pumpkin.
Yeah, man. Pumpkin the right through. So it's going to have to plant, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Every time, because you have to bud the pumpkin, you know.
Huh? Give me again.
I told me no every time, because pumpkin for bud, you know.
Okay.
It's when the pumpkin bud,
Yeah.
it's beer mud, me I tell you.
For real, for real, for
You
real.
can't reap it when your body, man.
Oh, yes, yes,
And
yes.
When you mix a man in the body now, I just throw the body in the fire and make it burn. You see, when you burn the bud,
Yeah.
man, you see pumpkin like a rice grain.
Oh, well, yes. So the body is the point of it here.
Yeah.
Yeah, the point.
The point, so me pick it off.
Oh, so you just pick it off.
Yes, yeah, you can see, you see that?
Yeah, man, it pick off. Yeah. Okay. Alright.
I just do me all the time, I just go to and just do them. So,
Yeah, pick them off.
Pick them off.
Alright. Yeah.
Throw them all in a fire, because you throw them in a fire. Make the pumpkin them all better.
Me understand, me understand, me
Yeah.
understand.
Make the pumpkin them all better, eh?
Yeah, me have to go try that. Yeah, man, for real, man. Farm look nice, Mikey.
Wicked man, tell you, man.
Yeah, man, this is a 2-week update on Mikey's farm. And trust me, my people. Yeah, there's a lot of things. Get taller here. You know? Yeah, man, for real, man. Yeah, the pumpkin just ready for spread, you know.
Oh, man, I have a nice piece of yam up, so I'm going to give my account do a view on it.
How far that?
Up a Campbell.
What you mean, man?
Me I tell you.
What you mean, man? Cause me always up there, you know.
Yeah, man, because I say, I hold it for you think I see on phone, man, because I see everything come up on my phone too, you know, man. So
Yeah, man.
the whole of them too, you know, man.
For real, man.
Yeah,
Once you subscribe,
Yeah,
everything come to you,
Yeah,
man.
man, Ross Bingy and them, man.
Alright,
Man,
alright.
they are mad, me I tell you too, man.
Yes, man, for real, for real.
Mm.
For real. For real, my viewers.
Go on easy, brother, and I say,
Go so, man.
you can find can't eat, you know.
Yeah,
You soon can pick pumpkin.
for real.
You soon can dig potato. You can't hungry.
Get hungry if you're hungry.
You can't hungry.
For real, man.
I tell you, so you see man on a farm, serve him, brother.
Him go hungry, you know.
And him a go hungry and he go thief and he go dead.
Go so, man.
Yeah, come on, look at them the thief and things, you know.
Go so, man.
Yeah, man.
So, a piece of one new piece of pumpkin. Potato.
Yeah, lately I'm planning this. Where you come at this and then plan.
Okay, this is my plant. I'm coming first time.
This and then plan where you come first time. You have some cabbage also. But you cabbage them not come to nothing.
Oh.
You can see me I left a couple of them in the shade here.
Oh, yeah, me understand.
So cabbage them not come to nothing, so I just say, just put some potato in them and plant the can them already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, my viewers. Lately, potato plant.
And it's a different style now. Me do this like yamba.
Yam bank, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real. For real, man. For real, Mikey.
Yeah, man.
For real, Mikey. Give me one of them, man.
You can get all the whole of them on the tree.
I'll lie you tell,
Oh,
man.
you talk some.
Then pick them, man. Pick them, give me the...
You have them in store now.
My God. Yes, my people.
Have them in store.
I get some sweet pepper.
No cook
off of the farm.
Have them sitting there. Them are sitting there make it pot nice.
For real, man. For real, man.
Tell them.
For real, man. I mean, man. Manners. Yes, I. Trust me. Farm look good.
Next time I make you come back, boss, I will start reaping potato them.
It goes, man.
I'll show you how them dig and everything there. You're going to show them.
That's what I want to see.
Yeah.
That's what I want to see. For real. For real, man. Yo, me just love that potato how it just push out like that.
See a potato here?
You find them big.
See a potato here? I tell you about a potato. I want different variety of potato.
Yeah, you can see it, you know.
Potato here 3 months to come in.
Yeah.
You have some coming 3 months, you have some coming 4 months, you have some coming 5 months.
Okay.
6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when a man said potato 3 month crop, let's do a kind of potato.
Thank you. You have all different types.
All different types.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
You understand what they go on. Yeah. Trust me, my viewers. Farm look nice. Them kind of some different planting, you know. You can see them plant recently. Jesus Christ, watch it there for the farm. I mean, I get two cans same way. The people, you have to plant and you have to eat in the farm. You see, once it's a farming, you have to eat, you know, for real, man.
I can make popcorn.
For real.
Everything, no.
For real, my viewers, me I tell you. Yeah, man. Farm look nice, aya. Yes, sir, the farm look nice. Farm green, still green and all.
People plant corn and they don't know about it.
Yeah.
Because some of them plant the corn, they make the corn hard up before they start reaping.
Okay, okay.
I'll show you that thing. You see this a corn?
Yeah.
I know so they're ready.
Oh, so you see, yeah.
Me not have to strip it.
Yeah, yeah.
You know so they're ready. You see why it's a feel the corn so? And you don't feel no soft grain a bus.
Yeah.
Already corn.
You ready, corn. Okay. Okay. Alright. Blessings.
Yeah, man, and enough respect again, man.
What you mean, man? Alright, my viewers and subscribers. We're up on the farm with Jamaica, with Mikey, Mr. Livingston. Yeah, man, and trust me. Me get corn, pepper, whole heap of something, alright, my viewers, so you don't know. What? Getting hot pepper also. Every pepper is here, man. Everything is here, my viewers.
I see it.
Manners.
Real, man. So next time you come back, now you know what's a potato or a pumpkin and
Simple. Then I that, Mr. Man.
Yeah.
Then I that, Mr. Man, for real, man. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, they don't know. My name is Everton, Jamaican Farmers Hut, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Alright, thanks for watching.
Yeah.